See, two cruise ships P and Q leave the port at the same time. Let us say this is the port. This is the port, let us say. Okay. So P and Q leave the port at the same time. P sails at 10 km/h on a bearing of 30 degrees. So where will be the 30-degree bearing? This will be the 30-degree bearing.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And it is sailing at 10 km/h. Q sails at 12 km/h on a bearing of 300. So it is sailing at the bearing of 300, like somewhere here. Exactly 90 degree. It is, the whole angle is 300. So 60 is remaining. So this angle would be 60 degrees.
Yeah.
Okay. So let us say this is P, this is Q, isn't it?
Yes.
So find the distance apart and the bearing of P from Q after 2 hours. So how much distance it will travel in 2 hours? If it is going through 10 km/h, this P boat.
So 20.
20. So this distance will be 20 after 2 hours.
Okay.
Isn't it?
Right.
And how much will be this distance?
24.
24. So let us say Q is here. Let us say Q is here. So this distance would be 24. Isn't it?
Yes, sir. Okay, okay.
Find the distance apart and the bearing of P from Q. Now it is to be find that this distance. So that is very simple because it's a right angle triangle. You can use it Pythagoras very well.
So we don't have the distance for QP or like.
So QP is the, this is 90-degree angle. You see, it is 90-degree angle here. So it's a right angle triangle.
So, but how do we? Okay, got it. Yeah.
Let us say this is O, and this is P. This is 20, and this is 24. This is Q. Now you have to find PQ. So you can find it by Pythagoras.
Got it, sir.
And you need to find the bearing of P from Q. So what angle? Can you show it on this triangle? Bearing of P from Q. Yeah, exactly this angle. So you need to find this angle. Okay.
Okay, now I got it, sir.
So I don't know why it is in most difficult category. I think this is very simple question.
No, sir.
They are threatening the children with this red symbol. Does it look like a tough question? It's very simple.
So I just didn't know how to finish it because I kept on forgetting this is 90 degree. So I wasn't able to find the 60-degree angle. I didn't read question properly.
Because it is given 300, so 60 will be remaining. And this makes 30 and 60, 90.
So the answer is 50.22.
50?
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe you can calculate this. Cos Q equal to how much it was? The hypotenuse?
31.24.
31.2. So let us take it roughly as 31. 31 square plus 24 square minus 20 square divided by 2 into 31 into 24. Okay, so this will give you the value of Q angle. And now after subtracting this angle from 90, we can get this angle. So this will be your required bearing. Okay. Okay, do the next one. First of all, you have to figure it out. Okay. So making figure is making question easier. First of all, whatever it is given, just write it down. Don't think that whole question can be solved by seeing only.
Like, sir, finish the diagrams.
Okay, diagram will be like Q is 35 kilometer from P. So you take P here, okay, and Q is 35 kilometer from P and a bearing of 32. So you make 32-degree bearing. It is 32 bearing, okay, and it is P, and you take it Q here. It is 35 kilometer. Okay. Now R is 65 kilometer from P and a bearing of 108. So bearing of 108 would be somewhere here. Okay. So this bearing is 108. That means this angle is 76.
Okay.
So this angle would be 76. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is 65 kilometer away. So this distance is 65 kilometer. Okay. So this point is R. Got it?
Okay.
Now you have to calculate QR. So QR now is easily calculated because they have given the in front angle. So in front side can be calculated if the other two sides are given. By which rule?
So sine,
Cosine rule.
cos, okay.
Cos 76 would be, by cosine rule, cos 76 would be equal to 35 square plus 65 square minus QR square divided by 2 into 35 into 65. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, now the second one is the bearing of R from Q. So bearing of R from Q will be given by this angle.
Yeah.
This angle will give you the second answer. Okay. And the third one is, okay, third one we'll see after doing this.
So something going wrong with the cos formula.
cos 76 would be, see, this cos 76 would be 35 square plus 65 square minus QR square divided by 2 into 35 into 65. What is cos 76? Cos 76 would be around cos 90 is 0. So it will be around 0.16 something.
So, okay. So I think something's off with my calculator. It's showing 2.41. Cos
0 point?
70. So 2.41.
No, it cannot be. Cos and sine maximum value can be 1.
So I don't know what it's showing me. So this is
Okay,
2.419 into 10 to the
no,
power minus 1.
you just refresh it again.
Okay.
Cos 76. Okay, let me check it. Cos 76.
Yeah, so it's supposed to be 0.82.
No, it's not 0.82. It will be very less.
Okay.
0.24.
Okay.
0.24. So we'll multiply this here. 2 into 35 into 65. And we'll take that QR here. QR square will be equal to 35 square plus 65 square minus this much. Okay. So you have to calculate it. So that 35 square is 1225. 1225 plus 65 square. 65 square is 4225. 4225 minus 0.24 into 70 to 65. It is 1092. Okay. So your 1225 plus 4225 minus 1225 plus 4225 minus 125 plus 25 plus, what is happening to my calculator? Okay, 125 plus 425 equals 4550 minus 1092 minus 1092. That is 4358. Now we will make it a square root. It is 66.
Okay. So I don't know what happened to the calculator.
So QR is 66.
Okay.
QR you found it. It is 66 kilometer. Okay. Now we have to calculate this angle. So how we can, we first have to calculate this angle. Okay. If we have this angle, then we can subtract.
So that's 32, right?
Which is 32? No.
This,
Yeah, no, it is not 32. It is not parallel line.
Oh, okay.
This QR cannot be parallel to that because it is north. Okay. In figure, it is looking like it is a same line, but it is not.
Okay.
Okay. But nearly it would be that much, 30, around 30 or 31. Okay. So you just have to calculate this Q angle with the help of sine rule. Okay. So sine Q over 65 would be equal to sine 76 over 66. Okay. As you see, they are closer. So that means Q will be equal to something around 76. Okay. So it will be something around, we can assume it like 76.
Okay.
76 degree. Roughly we can take it 76. Okay. So if this is 76, then how much is this angle?
So
And this angle is how much? This will be 180 minus 32. So it is 148. 148. Okay. 148 plus 76. 154. 212. 214. So sum of both these angle is 214. Okay. So
so
what is
should it
remaining?
be 224?
Yeah, 224. Sorry,
Okay.
224. 224. Okay, so what the angle is remaining? We'll subtract it from 360. 360 minus 224. So how much is 3 minus 2 is 1, 6 minus 2 is 4, 3, 6, 136 degrees. Okay.
Okay.
So this bearing would be 136 degrees.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay, now a ship set sail at 9:30 hours from P directly to R. Okay, it is going along with this PR. Okay, at an average speed of 30 kilometer per hour and reaches at point S due south of Q. Okay, so it is exactly due south. Exactly due south means opposite to north.
Yeah. So
Actually, this it is confusing us. This angle is 136. So I'll make it like this 136. Okay. So this would be like this. Okay. So here somewhere you will have your R, and I'll make it also correct. Okay. And this is 65 kilometers. Okay. So somewhere your R point, it is due south. Due south means exactly at 180 degree down. Okay. So your S point would be here, opposite to north. Getting it? Okay.
yeah.
So this S point would be here. Due south means opposite to north. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So a ship set sail at P directly to R at an average speed of that reaches a point as due south of Q. Okay. Now, in the third point, you have to find the time when it reaches. Now you have to find the time when it reaches S. So what you have to calculate? You have to calculate PS. If you have the distance, speed is given. You can calculate time because speed is equal to distance over
by
time. So you can calculate that PS with the help of sine rule. Isn't it?
Yes.
Two angles are given to you, and I think this would be equal because this is 76 degree, this is 76 degree. So that must be equal.
Okay.
Okay, so how much it is? 76, 76. Okay, okay. We need to calculate it because we don't know how much it is. So QS and PS will be same. Approximately they will be equal. Okay.
Okay. So can you re-explain part B?
Okay. Actually, it's very simple. You will use sine rule that okay, how much is this angle? This is 76. This is no, this is not 76 actually.
This, yes,
This is
yes.
not 76. 76 is this angle.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think it's
So if
68.
so if these two angles are same, then the opposite side will be same.
So what?
As QR is 66. We know QR.
Yeah.
Okay. So 76. Okay, okay. This angle would be 32. Okay, because
Okay.
they would be interior opposite.
Okay.
That angle would be 32. Now this 32 is used here. Okay, because this is north, it is, these are parallel lines and this is the transversal. PQ will be the transversal. So that would be 32. So sine 32 over PS. Okay. And if this is 32, we can calculate this angle as well. How much it would be? 108, so it would be 72.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, now got it, sir.
So how much time it will take from P to S?
So to take
First of all, the distance. How much is the distance? PS.
also 33.43.
33.53. Okay. So it is going at the speed of 930, sorry, 30 kilometer per hour. So how much time it will take?
So
It will be good. It will be good if you convert this 30 kilometer per hour into kilometer per minute. Or you first find out the time, then you will multiply it by 60. So it will be in minutes. Okay. Your time will be in hours.
okay, so
You have to multiply it into 60, then we'll get it in minutes.
so 480.
So your distance is 35, speed is 30. 35 is the distance, and your time would be, so time would be 35 over 30. So 1 point something. 1 point, 1 point, how much? 1.1, 1.15 something hours. Okay.
Okay. Yes, so it's 0.97. Same thing.
35 over 30.
35. Wait, so 35 over 30, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, 1.16.
1.16. Okay. So we need to multiply it to convert it into minutes. So 1.16 into 60. So how much minute it will take?
1.16 into 60.
Around 70 minutes.
70 exactly. Yeah.
Okay. So it is started from 9:30.
Mhm,
So 9:30 and you have to add 1 hour plus 10 minutes.
mhm.
So that means at 10:40 it would be available at us.
Mhm.
10:40, 100 hours. Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Was it simple?